The commercial cool 4.4 cu ft fridge is a decent option for anyone needing extra cold storage. It's a black beverage cooler with a 4.4 cubic foot capacity. That's enough space for a lot of drinks. Around 138 cans. It also has 3 adjustable shelves. You can move them around to fit different sized bottles and cans. This makes organizing your drinks easy. The temperature control lets you set how cold you want your drinks to be. This is helpful for keeping things just right. It's not just for drinks either. You could store snacks in it. It would work well in a garage or even a shed. If you needed extra space there. The door seals well, keeping the cold in. For the price, the commercial cool 4.4 cu ft fridge does its job. It's a simple appliance. There aren't any fancy features. It doesn't have a separate compartment for ice cubes or anything like that. It's just a basic fridge for drinks. The manufacturer designed it to be simple and functional. The shelves are easy to move. The temperature system is easy to understand. You just turn the dial. There are no digital readouts or shortcuts to specific temperatures. It's a manual system. This means you have to check the temperature yourself. It won't tell you the exact degree. Overall, the commercial cool 4.4 cu ft fridge is a good choice if you need a lot of space for drinks. It's not too big. It's not too small. It's a good size for most people. It keeps drinks cold. That's its main purpose. It doesn't have any extra features. It is a simple, reliable cooler. It's not a place to store currency or anything important. It's just for drinks and maybe some snacks. If you need a basic drink fridge, this is a good option. Pros: good size, adjustable settings, holds lots of drinks, keeps drinks cold, easy to adjust temp. Visible temp display, works better than expected, ice cold, great cooler, good for baking cons. Temps vary by shelf, temps not ice dent, temps vary 15 degrees, door doesn't fit, bottom duct. Taped, dings everywhere, unit arrived damaged, temperature issues, quality control issues. Unit is a joke features. Commercial cool, beverage cooler 4.4 cu ft. Capacity, drink fridge 3 adjustable shelves, temperature control, holds 138 cans, black color. Storage, cooling. The commercial cool beverage cooler is a black 4.4 cubic foot fridge designed to store drinks. It has 3 adjustable shelves, allowing you to organize up to 138 cans. You can control the temperature to keep your beverages cool, making it a convenient storage solution for drinks. The commercial cool beverage cooler is a decent-sized fridge that can hold many drinks and has adjustable shelves and temperature settings. It generally keeps drinks cold and has a visible temperature display. However, some customers have experienced issues with temperature consistency, with variations of up to 15 degrees between shelves. And some units arrived damaged or with poorly fitting doors. While many find it works well, there are quality control concerns to consider before purchasing.